Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to switch mobile networks on your phone. First, go to your phone settings. Tap on Connections or Network Internet depending on your phone model. Select the Mobile Networks option. Tap on Network Operators and turn off the automatic option. Now you'll see a list of available networks. Select the network you want to switch to. That's it. Your phone is now connected to the selected mobile network. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.